Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing access and opening settings. Enter the device PIN or admin password when prompted so you can change controls. Make sure you back up any important files to cloud or SD first, because removing restrictions can affect synced accounts. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the tablet can verify credentials and download any needed updates that allow control changes. Now locate the parental controls section inside Settings. On Android, this may be under Security, Digital Wellbeing, or Users, while iOS uses Screen Time. Tap Parental Controls or the Family Link/Screen Time entry and authenticate with the admin account or Google/Apple ID so the device permits changes. If an app manages controls, open that app and sign in. Make sure you understand which account is primary, because removing controls requires admin privileges to stop enforcement. To finish, turn off the parental controls toggle or remove the child profile or linked account. If controls are app-based, uninstall or remove the child from inside the app after signing in. Revoke any device admin permissions tied to the control app so it cannot reapply settings. Once done, restart the tablet and test access to previously restricted apps and settings. If things go wrong, recheck the admin account login and ensure the control app isn't still listed as a device administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.